Hello, my name is Grant Taggart, and I'm doing a presentation on Gleek.io. Gleek is a data modeling tool that offers text and diagram functionality without the use of a mouse. The main benefit of it over other data modeling tools is that once you learn the syntax, it's quite a bit faster than drag and drop, and I feel like it's a lot smoother operating. I feel pretty clumsy oftentimes with drag and drop types of data modeling tools, and I feel like I always have to kind of figure things out all over again if there's any sort of time in between using them. Whereas this seems, yeah, very easy and intuitive. There's a free version which I find sufficiently useful, and I think most of you will too. Or you can upgrade to a premium version, which is $10 a month and doesn't put any limits on how many files you can create and can be integrated with your GitHub, and also gives you shareable links and among some other features. So anyway, to use it, you just go to the website here, click on Create Diagram. For whatever reason, it always lands on this page of a sample, but so you can go over here to the right to the dashboard and just create a new diagram, and that'll just give you a blank slate. And then here to the left, you just type, for example, client, and then that gives a shape there on the right. And let's say we're having a proxy as well. There's another shape. Let's say the client is going to communicate with the proxy. So you just write client, do double dash and a greater than sign, and you'll see the color change to red there. And then you can have it communicate with the proxy that way. And let's say the proxy is going to communicate back with the client. So then we just do the same. And then let's say we're going to have the proxy is going to be communicating with a group of services. You just do the /G to indicate group. Then you can type services. And then if you tab in there, you can make a couple of services. Let's say service 1, and it's of a type service. So you can do colons, and that gives you some options there, which gives you different shapes that map to the type of function. So yeah, so there's a service, and then service 2, same, and then let's have the proxy is going to communicate with the services. So again, do the double dash arrow and just do services. You can tab forward to complete it. And let's have the service send something back to the proxy. So again, we're going to do that. And then let's have we're going to have the services communicate to databases. So let's make another group called databases, and let's do just DB1 and make that the DB type, and DB2, and again make that a DB. And as long as you're not tabbed, it won't enter things into that area. So I just have to backspace there. And let's have the services are going to communicate with the databases. So there we go. And you can see here, for some reason, the arrows aren't working. Here we go. Let's have this communicate back to the services. And so again, there we go. And then let's say we want to indicate what it is exactly that's being sent and received. Let's say the client is just sending form data. So you go here into after the first / and you can enter some text here. Let's say form data. And you can see there it fills up the line there. And the client is going to get back some sort of data as well. Let's say that something is just a possible thing to happen. So there's possible communication. Maybe nothing happens. You can put a dot there, and you'll see it'll get a dotted line connecting two things. Yeah, that's most of what you can do with it. You can also, do comments with, like in JavaScript with the, uh, you know, with the double forward slash. Yeah, that's basically it. And I think, yeah, you can save 5, uh, they're stored there on the cloud. So yeah, it's a great tool. Definitely recommend it. And thanks for watching.